Today it is Thursday, the 3rd of February 2022. Our aim today was, we have firstly made a test board with two EL84 valves, and we left the whole circuitry similar or equal, and as instead of EL84 we are now using two LV1 valves wired actually in parallel to the sockets here. Here we have the sockets, and here we have the two the LV1 valves. It proved that instantly they perform like the other valves. So the EL84 and the LV1s perform more or less equal. And the current is 5 milliamps or so about, and it doesn't make much difference whether we operated with 250 volts or 350 volts. There is hardly a difference in performance. And now we are viewing the results. Down on the XY display we view the XY signal, which is measured across the magnetic yokes in the upper display system, a circular display system, and a CRT, LB2, and the upper screen is to operate as it should have done about in the virtual aircraft. And there is an imperfection in the upper display. You see down on the tectonic scope screen, you see that there is quite some distortion, and there is far less distortion visible at the upper display. The reason is that, maybe not perfectly yet, the output is of the amplifiers is being loaded with a series circuitry tuned more or less at 500 Hertz. And what you see here on the lower display is the voltage across the two deflection yokes, vertically X or Y, vertically, and the X horizontally. And it is very curious that what is projected on the upper screen, the LB2 screen, is far less distorted than you see it on the lower screen here on the film. And the reason is that there is a filter function when you have a tuned circuit in series, so an L and a C in series. It performs as a low impedance, and also is selecting the sine wave signals which are coming out of the amplifier. The lower screen is showing you what is coming actually out of the amplifier, measured at the point where the capacitors and the deflection yokes are joining or coming together. And you see in fact what is presented on the screen is far better than it is visible on this screen here. curious, but it is only a matter of tuning. And you can also explain it that these harmonics which are coming out of this type of amplifier, mainly caused, as far as we have determined, due to the performance of the transformers. But for our experiments now, this is sufficient. What is necessary, not directly, but that is that in the channel, and that is in this channel here, which is not this cosine, but the sine wave signal fed onto the deflection yokes, is maybe needed to have a better tuning at 500 Hertz, as to eliminate the distortion caused by the harmonics of the sine wave signals and the cosine wave. Thank you.